A federal high court in Abuja has granted 100 million naira bail each to a former Minister of Aviation Hadi Sirika, his daughter, and two others. They are being tried over an alleged 2.7 billion naira fraud. According to the court, they are also to provide two sureties who must have landed properties in Abuja. The sureties, the court said, must also be responsible citizens. The sureties must depose to an affidavit of means. The court also restricted the defendant from traveling abroad without its permission. Justice Orji ordered that the defendant should be remanded in prison custody if they failed to meet their bail conditions.
One of the two cases filed against the former minister. So the first one is taken before his lordship here. So we are going to contend for the other one in another date. So, but the bail is at the discretion of the court. So it's for the court to decide whether it is adequate or not. So a counsel in his own right cannot criticize the judge whether the conditions are liberal or high or low. But I think it is fair.
The trial of the former Central Bank of Nigeria governor, Godwin Emefiele, who is accused of fraud to the tune of $4.5 billion and 2.8 billion naira, continued on Thursday, with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, the EFCC, tendering bundles of documents before the court. The documents were tendered through the third prosecution witness, Clement Ngolu, a compliance officer with Zenith Bank, by the EFCC counsel, Rotimi Oyedepo San. The documents were admitted into evidence following no objections from the first defense counsel, Olalekan Ojo San, and the second defense counsel, Adeyinka Kotoye San. The third witness, Victor Onyejiwa, who is the managing director of the Source Computers Limited, also appeared before the court, where he admitted being pressured to pay $600,000 as kickback to facilitate payments of contracts funds. Oyejinwa told the court that his company, the Source Computers Limited, provided information and communication technologies assistance to the Apex Bank between 2014 and 2019. The witness said his company was awarded at least 5 contracts within the stipulated period. The judge had adjourned the matter to May 17 for the continuation of trial.